Hey everyone, I'm back, and you already know it's me, Super Flashlight Rail Productions. Now I'm going to tell you why the premiere of Anuraag the Clown Dragon hadn't started. So this video is called Hadn't Start the Premiere on My Other Channel. That's because I've been very busy chasing Norfolk Southern Heritage Unions and trying to get one that's fully seen the railroad in the first, and I finally did, and now I can finally come back to my YouTube channel, the Anuraag the Clown Dragon channel, and I'm making this video too to remind you all that the reason why I haven't been posting any new ones and just one of each once a month, that's because I'm still working on those characters. Dad and I have a lot of work to do, and I know you guys aren't giving me more subscribers because these videos are not that popular. They're not accurate, and it's not a way to become popular on YouTube. I'm still thinking about The Secret. I've been watching other YouTube videos to know about The Secret. So this video, what I already told you, is called Hadn't Start the Premiere of Anuraag. Hadn't start the premiere on my other channel. So I hope you all will enjoy this. So what I was going to say is that I already said these, but for these I was like, I can't believe it. I still gotta study on Premiere Pro and Adobe Audition. All I want to do is just not do it. That is just so inaccurate. I can't believe it. I'm just so lazy and selfish. You know what? After I caught Reading in its full appearance, I'm just coming back to Anuraag the Clown Dragon and Thomas and WR1 right now. So, for Vernacularly of a YouTuber, I will start the productions of the episodes, and I'll actually post Meet the Characters, or I could just do Meet Anuraag the Clown Dragon, and Anuraag will tell everyone that he is the leader of the Clown Dragons, he is the oldest, and sorry if you can see my face in the mirror. He is very nice. He can also be funny and musical. And he can help with others and teach them important lessons. So, well, I will start to make an end to this video. And as I start the premiere of the first episode, you all need to watch it. Like, subscribe, dislike, and comment on them. And I really hope you guys will enjoy the premiere of Anuraag the Clown Dragon. So, well, I won't be real fan this week, and I'll actually start the premiere. So, well, that's about it for this video. And like I said, like and subscribe to this video and to this channel. Bye bye, and I'll talk to you all again another time.